Chicken pot pie is the ultimate comfort food. Here's the easiest way to get all of the flavor with less of the mess. Here's all you'll need to get started. And you can get it all done with just a saucepan and a pie pan. First, melt a little butter and cook your onions until they're soft. Stir in some flour, salt, and pepper to make a smooth base. And slowly whisk in chicken broth and milk. Let it bubble up until it thickens into a creamy filling. Stir in your cooked chicken and a cup of thawed mixed vegetables. Line a pie pan with one crust, pour in your filling, and top it with a second crust. Pinch the edges and add any decorative touches you want. Cut a few holes for steam and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is beautifully golden, about 30 to 40 minutes. Our tip: if the edges start to brown too quickly, just cover them with foil before putting it back in the oven. Let it cool for 5 minutes and you've got the perfect cozy weeknight dinner. Make sure to like and subscribe for more dinner inspo, and let us know how you like to personalize your chicken pot pie in the comments.